So this is a unique mandir, and this is special for me because it is designed with a different religious perspective. My client, being South Indian, they are very much like devoted towards Lord Balaji and Lord Krishna. So I have used two such forms in one mandir. So firstly, I would like to explain about the symbols which are dedicated towards Lord Balaji. So I have used that in this door. So the door is actually a camouflage of metallic jali plus wooden framing. So the plywood which is used here is HDHMR. I have got this CNC cutted from the factory, and then I have re-laminated it. I have laminated it. Few edges I have been polished. So there are different treatments which are done in these doors. This what you see is PVD antique coating finishing what I have used for this jali. So this actually signifies the symbol of Lord Balaji. Now here this is talking about the doors. Now if you see up, you see here these are the charcoal panels which I have used. These I have used to give a different length so that it looks, it gives you the illusion of having a longer length. So charcoal panels have been used here. Doors I have already explained you. Now here this again I have used small element of charcoal sheets once again because I wanted to give them a tray for different puja offerings. So then this tray will go inside as per need. You can open it and you can place it inside. Now here again I have tried to maintain the same symbol of Lord Balaji, but again I had given a twist of different storage elements. So these are the two doors which opens this manner. So there are shelves which I have given to keep things. Definitely it is not a bigger storage, but yes, at least some part of puja storage can definitely be taken care of. Now talking about the doors, these are the mandir doors and these are pocket doors. So whenever you are doing puja, so the door will definitely go inside and the entire mandir gets ready for the puja. They were wanting to have the arrangement of keeping different photo frames of different deities. So that is how this has been positioned. As I told you, they were even wanting to have a Krishna touch. So that is the reason why you see this jali with a peacock feather. So this is again done in Korian, and this is engraved. This jali is basically engraving. So you see the Korian here and you see the Korian inside. So this is basically called as engraving. So I have done a peacock feather here, backlit. There are LED lights behind it. That is the reason why it is giving you that pop. Plus for all the different shelves, I have used very smaller spotlights so that it gives a proper lighting to each and every photo frame. Now again you see here a panel of charcoal. This is done on purpose. Why? Because you see this is basically a frame which they every day they use it haldi and kumkum. So definitely if I place the Korean exactly behind that, it will definitely not withstand stains, tough stains of haldi and kumkum. That is the reason why on purpose I have used the charcoal sheet over here so that it will be taken care of. This is a pedestal, this is a step where different idols can be placed here, and then this is again a smaller place where you can definitely keep the diyas and other things. So even if you are keeping diyas or any such puja decor or element, it is not going to get disturbed because the door will definitely not come in between. So these are the pocket doors. So this is the design of the mandir. As I told you, then there is a tray over here and two slots, plus this on purpose I have kept it with charcoal to give a height kind of effect. Apart from this, there is also a purpose over here. It has a storage, but this access of storage I have given it from here because if I would have given it in a charcoal, then the design was getting a bit mismatched. So this is at this place. Plus there is one more element over here. There is a switchboard here. So they had a special requirement that in occasions of different pujas, for making of bhog, they definitely prefer making it just besides the puja place. So that is the reason why there is a switchboard here which takes care of that requirement as well. So that's it guys, this is the puja room or puja place video. Thank you so much. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.